That's one thing that I would want to tell people about NetApp that they may not know, given that our first flagship product was so successful, Data on Tap, is that we now have a portfolio of products. And we sell E-Series for high bandwidth. We do a lot of that with Dalet, as you know, into large customer sites that are broadcasters needing a lot of ingest, a lot of edit control and play out. Is Storage Grid Web Scale, our new object store, which uses an S3 interface to store content and manage data across time and space. By that I mean across geographies. You can have multiple cities all looking at the same content, and across time. You can store content. The idea here is you're storing content for decades, perhaps even a century. We've used it in healthcare, where our service level agreements say that we need to keep that content around for the life of the patient, plus 5 years. We're selling it into the government, where the SLA is to store the content for the life of the Republic. And of course, we all hope that the U.S. continues on for many years to come, regardless of who is president of the United States. NetApp and Dalet bring a value that has to do with our portfolio first, in terms of our product line. I mean, we have systems that we've both been very good at placing into smaller production environments with on tap. We've got the E-Series, which we've been able to put into the most demanding bandwidth environments in the world, places like Fox Sports 1 and others. We've been able to take the entire portfolio and balance that for capacity and bandwidth and enterprise features into some of these environments as well. So I'd say the product portfolio is the first value we bring to Dalet, but I'd say the other value we bring is a relationship that goes back longer than you and I have been involved with the companies, going back 10 years probably, and the support that we give those demanding customers. As you know, in the broadcast business, doesn't get much more demanding than a media asset management environment where you're touching the entire workflow. Anything that might go wrong, we get pointed at. So the fact that Dalet and NetApp have worked together on a global basis now for many years across versions of software, across versions of hardware, I think is the most important key now.